What's up people, welcome back to Rhys King's game channel. I'm Rhys King as always, and today we're back on DeadBolt. This game is just fucking addictive as all balls. So we're going to be playing it again today, and I hope you guys enjoyed the last episode. I'm sure you did, because I fucking love this. It's kind of a cool game, man. Such a basic pixelized game. It's fucking awesome. So we're going to go into this new mission, Case 3. Smoke signals. Oh, zombie, you're pretty. I'd like to never meet you in my entire life. Oh shit. Number one, that was amazing. Number two, instantly distracted by the fact I can see myself in the mirror. Look at me. I'm so pretty. He saw some stuff. Didn't you guys? The old toilet. The old toilet trick. There's a lot of them in there. I have no weapon, I don't believe. Substantially harder than me, that guy was. Okay. Okay, right. Okay, let's figure this out. So we need to kill him. Turn that off. Then I figure we need to go down here. Just slightly bring him over. Hey, buddy. Attempt 365. Oh. Fuck. Okay, we kind of worked it out. We've kind of got a system going here now, right? So let's run in here. Do that. Grab a knife. Bang. Fucking knifed you in the face. Knife to see you, bitch. Right, can we just go up in here then? Whew, okay. Right, now if we go... Oh, slag! Right, okay. We're kind of good now, I think. Okay. Whew. I don't even know how we did that, but we did it. It was good. Right, we've got fucking flaming bags of drugs everywhere. Good, good. Is there more knives? Can I get more knives? Because I really appreciate the knives. They are literally the mutts nuts. So let's fucking turn those lights off. Get in here. Zip up, up, and up. Oh man. How to deal with this situation. Fucking shit. I don't know what they're doing. Come on, guys. Fuck off. No? You're just gonna keep on lingering. Just fucking die, mate. Right, okay, that's good. Don't know what my plan is here. Do this. You're dead. Okay, fuck that off. Get an event. Like so. Turn that off. Burn the drugs. Go down here. Kill him. We killed everyone this side. Okay. We're cool now. We're cool. Next on our agenda. Big fucker over here. You're going down. And you are dead next. It's so fucking exhilarating. Okay, we got a knife. Oh, no! I didn't! I don't know! Okay, I was a little quiet through that, guys, mainly because I was suffering with stress and anger. Yeah. Mad angry. Also kind of mad skills right involved there. Hello. Come on, buddy, go investigate, you little wah fucking dick. Give me that fucking gun. Come on back up, you little douche. You're dishkin. You frickin' dishkin. Come on. Come up. Woohoo! This is so hard. Just punch him to death. Punch him to death. Well, that worked. That actually worked. Okay. Alright. I honestly suggest that we go around the other way now. That was incredible. I'm literally flabbergasted, man. Nothing. That was insane. We fucking kicked ass. We kicked the fucking ass and we chewed fucking bubblegum. Right, we know what we have to do here. Just shoot. Boom, 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 boom. Second this guy comes down, shoot him in the face. Okay. Is another one going to come down? Go on, come down as well. Make my fucking day. Thank you. Don't even need a knife. But you know what? We're going to do it anyway. We fucking did it. We did it! Oh my god, after so much hard work, we fucking did it. Oh, nailed it. Honestly, okay, I'm sorry this is going to be a bit of a short video by the time I've edited that together, but my god, I spent some serious amount of time doing that level. That was really fucking hard. But yeah, okay guys, if you're enjoying this, still smash that like button. I promise I'll try and do a few more levels in a single video for the next video of this, but honestly, that's just stressed me out to the maximum capability. And I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like if you liked, and subscribe if you're new. Bye-bye. Massive poo! Oh, watch out, there's shit going everywhere! Alright, okay. That was fucking brilliant! Okay, we literally pooped everywhere. Right, so, we're gonna go into the next room, shall we? Oh! Hi! Oh, alright. Good news. That's just, yeah. Yep, that's pretty much. Are you a good door? You're a good door. That's fucking great.